and thank you so much for joining me. I'm Eric Tallman here with you this afternoon. I just wanted to tell you that the severe weather has been very, very active in the Midwest. It just has not stopped whatsoever. So we'll continue to keep an eye on that, and it looks like that is going to continue to progress across the Midwest. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what we've got going on, and then I'm going to show you more in detail in just a couple of moments. I'll show you where all the activity is when we come back right after this, but I just want to show you where the severe weather is going to be today and what's happening today, and then we'll talk about where it's going after that. So we'll go ahead and talk about this really quick, because I have other reports in that have to go up. So anyway, this is what's going on. We have this setup right here. We've got a marginal risk of severe weather right along in here, and then we've got a slight risk of severe weather over in this general area, and then an enhanced risk of severe weather right there in the middle of the Midwest. So it does seem that Michigan is going to get hit with severe weather. I have looked at the results, and I have looked at the models, so this is where the severe weather is going to hit today. The isolated severe weather is going to hit this section of Michigan on the western Michigan. It's going to hit Michigan, and it's going to continue to slide all the way up towards northern Michigan, and maybe as close as the upper part of Michigan up there in the upper peninsula. We'll kind of keep an eye on that. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you what's on the radar, and then I'm going to tell you what the outlook is going to be for the next couple of days. So make sure that you stay tuned for that. I'll be right back. We'll show you what's on the radar, and then we'll continue to tell you more about the forecast and much more. Stay tuned. We'll be right back after this. And thank you so much for tuning in with me this afternoon. And just want to go over a few things. This is actually our radar here of what's been going on across the Midwest. We've got showers and thunderstorms that are developing across the Midwest. Very, very busy setup here. It's not actually all that bad, as a matter of fact, but it is quite active. We've got a lot of showers and storms developing around this general area, but there are some areas of the Midwest that are not getting anything at all, but I've already showed you exactly where the severe weather is going to hit. I took the Outlook thing off of the page so I could show you where all the precipitation was at, so it seems like it's going to be quite active. So when I come back right after this in the second half, I'm going to show you where the severe weather is going for the next 2 days, and it looks like it's going to be quite active. So the western part of Michigan, all the way up into northern Michigan, and as close as the upper peninsula, we'll see a chance of isolated severe storms, category number 1, marginal risk. It's going to be chances for isolated severe storms from the western part of Michigan, traveling all the way up to northern Michigan, and very close to the upper peninsula. So we'll keep an eye on that. So we've got more coming up right after this. And once again, I'll be showing you the next 2 days of where the severe weather is going to be headed. Stay tuned. We'll be right back with more.